back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare spaghetti with fish to go. Here I have 4 fish, salmon. I have prawns. Here are the spices I'll be using. I have here seasoning cubes, curry powder, nutmeg, salt, onion powder and thyme. In here I have 125 grams of concentrated tomato to brighten the color of the spaghetti. I have oil, 4 plums tomato, 1 habanero pepper, 1 bell pepper, finely chopped onion, ginger and garlic paste. I will also be leaving in the description box how I prepare it in case you want to know how I did it. Thank you so much for coming. I so much appreciate you. So let's dive into the cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do is to chop this tomato into smaller pieces and blend them. So like this, I will blend them and come back and show you the next step, okay? So I have chopped them and now I'm going to blend them here. I will boil them until the water is dry or left just a little. So now I will take this one to the stove. So for the fish, I will be marinating them with this ginger, you see? Marinating them with ginger like this. See? Like that. And then garlic. After that, I'm going to be adding seasoning cubes to it, just like this. Not over season it because you have this fish has to go. That is it. Onion powder. Now, wash your hand very well. It's your food. If you like, wash your hand though. If you don't like, don't wash. And turn it to the other side. Just like this. Like this. And like this. Did you see that? And it's already well coated with the ingredient. So you do the same thing to the next there. Yeah, when all of them are well marinated, I'm going to keep them in the fridge. Whenever you are eating fish, if you don't like them to have those fishy aroma, just use ginger, garlic, paste and some seasoning cube. You will really enjoy the taste. So while it is marinating for 2 hours in the fridge, I'll go ahead and clean the prawns. You can fry them like this. It's very nice. This prawn is already pre-cooked, or you can clean them as I did. Over to the tomato, you can see the water is drying, but I will still leave it to dry more. I will be getting my pan ready to do the fryings of the fish. Okay, like this I will be leaving this tomato. It is fine like this. I'll go ahead and add some water in the pot for the boiling of the spaghetti. This fish now, normally I fry them with just little oil, it will fry, but this time I wanted to get that sauce of the fish into the oil very well, so that the spaghetti, remember we're making a fish spaghetti, everything will be have the taste of that fish. That is why I'm frying it in big oil, and the market no go well for me. because while I was turning or flipping the fish, one of them cut or broke. So if you want to use much oil like me, be expecting some of your fish to break. But if you don't want them to break, add just drops of oil in your pan and then fry them. I am cooking the two of them together because if I say let me cook them one by one, the time will be much. So I have added the spaghetti in the pot. So it will be cooking in there for 8 minutes. I'm back to my fish. I am gently flipping them to the other side so that I will avoid another one breaking. Okay, this time you have to stir your spaghetti and make sure that all of them get into the hot water. If you want to add oil to the spaghetti, you can add, but I don't want to add because I'm cooking them gently and I still have lots of oil in the pan. After taking out the fish, I'll go ahead and add the onion, garlic and ginger. So I'm going to be frying these onions for more than 1 minute, and after that I'll go ahead and add the remaining spices. I won't be putting all the seasoning cubes in there so that it will not over salt. At this point I'll go ahead and add the tomato paste, which is the concentrated tomato, and fry them for 2 minutes. I'm frying on high heat. If you know you cannot control it, please reduce the light. I'll fry for 2 minutes and my eyes is still on the spaghetti and I'm checking on it so that it doesn't get soggy. We want it to be, dangling so that when we are mixing them in the stew, we won't have jollof poko poko, we'll have jollof spaghettis. Thank you so much for coming. I always appreciate seeing you here all the time watching on my stairs. If you know you are here for the first time, yes, you are highly welcome. Please click on the red subscribe button so that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now it has been frying for more than 10 minutes now. The tomato is now fine. It's no longer biting. I'll go ahead and add the pepper mixture. That is the tomato, the pepper and the bell pepper that I blended. And now I am frying on low heat because we have already cooked the tomato. The tomato is no longer a threat to sour taste. So I'm going to fry them after 2 minutes on high heat. Yes, test. I am testing to see if there is something to add more. And no, I add some onion and the prawns there. Alright, it is time to mix. We have to mix the tomato or the stew that we have fried inside the spaghetti and gently mix them until they are thoroughly combined. So it's better we use our picky spoon because this will be better. If you use any other thing that is not this picky spoon, the spaghetti will cut and they will not be dangling. So that is it, how we come to the end of this recipe of today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you did like what we did here today, please give me a huge thumbs up. Yes, and I will be expecting to see you in my next video. You can bring your plate. Yes, I forgot to tell you this combination, cucumber and salmon fish. Have you tried it? Please do give it a try. If you are eating fish and cucumber, especially this salmon fish, the taste is like eating granite and cucumber. I so much enjoyed it. Please try the recipe. If you tried it and you like it, come back and tell me in the comment section here that you did like it. Alright, so now I am properly signing out. See you in my next video. Bye.